in your first experiment, the last is clamping circuits. So you have to do the clamper circuit now. So first take the function generator. You have to take the function generator, and next we have to take a capacitor. Place component, and in the sources go for basic capacitor, and here you type 0.1 microfarad. Here you are taking 1 microfarad, so 1 and press U. U is nothing but micro, so here you can select 1 microfarad, and next select a diode virtual. So in the basic go for diodes and diodes virtual and diode virtual. Click on diode virtual and click OK. Next you have to select this 10 kilo ohm resistor. Go for basic resistor and 10 kilo ohm resistor. Next you have to select a power source. So sources, power sources, DC power, OK. Next you have to select a ground. So for seeing the output you have to select oscilloscope. So this is your components. These are the components for the clamper circuit. So we have to connect the circuits using wires. See, this is for connecting the circuits. Here I will be rotating counterclockwise because I have to give the negative part of the diode to capacitor N and the positive part of the diode to the positive of the V reference and negative part to ground. You can see negative part to ground, and rotate is clockwise. Next you connect this and to this and to this point. We calling this point as junction, you remember. And next, and from the function generator negative to ground, and also from the load resistor 10 kilo ohm to ground. So next, for seeing the input you have to connect from channel A to function generator, and for seeing the output you have to connect from channel B to between load resistor and diodes negative N. So you have to connect from extension to ground. So this is your circuit. Now you have to change in the function generator. You have to set 1 kilohertz. Double click on this and set 1 kilohertz, and you are setting amplitude 10 volts, so you will be getting peak to peak voltage 20 volts. Close it. Next, depending on the external giving the V out, you have to select the V reference. If they have given you V out as 11.3, you have the formula V out is equal to V reference minus V diode plus V in. So if the external is 0.3, then you have to give the V reference as 2 voltage. So I have given V reference as now 2 voltage. So run the button and double click on it, and you see here change the scale to 5. I am changing the scale to 5. Okay. Next, pause it and take the ruler bar, and you can see now this is your input waveform. I am showing the input wave. So one is minus 4.88, so approximately 5, and one more is 4.9, approximately 5. Next I will be showing you the output waveforms. So I will be making channel a ground. So this is your output waveform. So you can see you are getting the topmost end. This is T1 is 11.015, 11.037, approximately 11.3. So this is your clamper circuits output. You have to show this one 11.3. If you want to show both the input and output, keep both channel A and channel B in DC mode and show the external. You are getting output 11.3.